Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the idle air control valve on my 1987 R10. You will need an inch and a quarter to take it out after you unplug it. And I just broke the clip. From the looks of it, this is the original one from GM, which I bought a Standard Motor Products to replace it. Comes with a lifetime warranty through O'Reilly's. Before I do anything electrical on my pickups, I usually like to disconnect the negative side of the battery just for a safety measure. As you can see, it's got some gunk built up on it. Always start your threads by hand. You don't want to cross thread them. If you don't have an inch and a quarter, you can probably get away with a crescent. So all that's left is reconnecting the connectors. I'll have to buy some new weather pack connectors to fix the one I just broke. But other than that, I'll get everything put back together and we'll do a startup. No, the tack is kind of hard to see. We're gonna do a startup just after we installed the negative side of the battery after replacing the IAC valve. Got it back to idle, look at about 900 and dropping. There we go. Now it's settling in. Next we'll be troubleshooting the oil pressure gauge. I don't know if the sensor is grounded out internally or if it's the gauge itself, but that'll be another video. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, appreciate it.